Welcome to my kitchen, and welcome back to Cooking Show at Home. Today, I'm going to cook pasta shells stuffed with ricotta, spinach, and mushrooms, a saucy and cheesy comfort food you'll really love. You can find the full list of ingredients in the description below, and by liking this video and subscribing to my channel, you'll help it grow and allow me to share even more delicious recipes with you. For this dish, I'm using Ronzoni jumbo shells. First, cook them in boiling water for the time recommended on the box, -2 to 3 minutes. So for me, the cooking time will be about 8 minutes. Okay, the water is boiling, let's cook them. Add a pinch of salt. When they're ready, drain the pasta. Next, I'll cook about 2 cups of spinach in a frying pan with 2 teaspoons of butter for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then, dice about a dozen small cremini mushrooms and fry them in the same butter left after the spinach. Adding 2 crushed cloves of garlic during the last 2 to 3 minutes. Grate about 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, or use shredded if you prefer. Add half of the Parmesan to the spinach mushroom mixture, along with 3 heaping tablespoons of ricotta cheese. Mix well. Prepare a baking dish and grease it with butter. Take your cooked shells and stuff them with the filling. Arrange them in the baking dish, fitting all your shells in a single or double layer. If you have extra, you can freeze them for later. Cover the stuffed shells with about 5 to 6 tablespoons of marinara sauce and sprinkle with the remaining Parmesan. Bake in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and golden on top. You can switch to the grill for the last 5 minutes for extra browning. When done, take them out, serve hot, and garnish with fresh basil leaves. Enjoy this saucy and cheesy comfort food you'll really love. Please like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.